Ahí estamos bien. Ok. Ok. Déjame abrir la puerta. Bajemos, bajemos. Que no alcanzo la puerta. Right? Alright. Ok, no voy a dejar mucho movimiento aquí. Very good one.
There you go.
Slow. Espere. Sálgase, sálgase. Cerremos.
Huh?
Bajémosla. I need more this shirt.
You need to move it?
Yeah.
All right, ready. Just take it.
Yeah, porque necesito que usted se ponga para allá. Para yo poder entrar tranquilo. Thank you, sir. Yo voy a pegar aquí justo y voy a ir metiéndome despacito, ¿me entiendes? Pongámoslo en medio.
Cuando usted pegue ahí, yo tengo que ir a
All right.
¿Listo?
Listo. All right. Cuidado, agárralo bien, agárralo bien. All right. Cuidado, no. Ya casi. All right, yo me voy a meter para allá. Ready?
Yes.
Oh my God, good.
There you go.
Dale. Ok,
Good job.
bajémosla, bajémosla. Bajémosla. Bajémosla.
¿Dónde la voy a llevar?
Esperen, vamos a bajarlo más. Pues sí. Vamos a llevar para allá atrás. Atrás.
Listo.
Ok.
1,
No.
2, 3. Dale.
No. Yeah, slow. Slow. There you go. Oh.
You all right? Yeah.
Oh my God, it's heavy.
Yeah. I took that other one out. It wasn't, it was a good job.
¿Pasa aquí?
Uh-oh, wait a minute. You might have to take them doors.
It's the same, right? Same problem.
Oh, Lord. Wonder if I can take that door off. Them doors right there.
Ok. Dejemos, mire, oh, hagámosla más para atrás. Para acá. Yeah, one side, yeah. ¿Listo?
¿Listo?
Alright, hagámosla para atrás, aquí. Alright. Alright. Hey. How did that thing? Got my new refrigerator. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's take a look at that, y'all. Yeah. Looking good, ain't it? That's what I'm talking about. Now all we got to do is just, we're going to have to open that up and put the shelves together. And then after we put it all together on the inside, put the shelves on together, only thing to be left to do is stock it full of food. Yeah. Let's see what the freezer looks like. Oh, yeah. Just need to get this thing stocked full of food. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. It's nice and cold, too. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. It's been a long time coming. It's been a long time coming. It's been a long time coming. Yeah, buddy. Now it's just time to go grocery shopping.